Good morning, everyone. This is CJ from Rookie RC. We're back in the field again with the HobbyKing J-3, the Navy Cub edition. I did some little stripings on the bottom, see if I can define a little bit better. With my eyes, unfortunately, if there's not a lot of sun, it's easy getting confused with the two colors from the top and the bottom. And well, once in a while you lose orientation, but let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoy. We have about, I don't know, I think the app said about 10 mile an hour wind with 15 gusts. So let's see if this baby comes down intact or not. Here we go. We have a little bit of crosswind. I wonder if the grass is a little too high on that side. Well, here goes nothing. Throttle cut. Surface check. Let's go to high rates, just in case. Oh, wind started to pick up. Okay, you can definitely feel the wind. Still dialed in though, nice. I'm only half throttle. He's getting shaken up there. Let me change directions. There you go. Okay, I gotta bring it down. If not, you guys are not gonna see anything. This is a really low pass. Kind of scary. Big crosswind all the way across. Nice, okay. That was a half a Q&8. This is for his battery, 2200, the Nanotex. Yeah, the stripes do work a little bit, but still, they got to keep a close eye on this thing, especially when there's no sun, nice and cloudy like today. Yeah, he's getting bounced around, but it's fine. They can take it. This is almost a trainer, to be honest with you. A trainer on for us. There you go. No throttle. No throttle. No throttle. Let's go up before it stalls. Oh, little bird. Let's see if we can do a wing over with this. Nope. That's too much wind for that. but definitely on high rates. This wind. Just treat them nicely. You see some rolls. Nice. Rolls are pretty quick on high rates on this. I was thinking of doing a touch and go, but not with this wind. Just bring it up a little bit. Getting too close to the ground for comfort. I hope you guys can see it at least better than some of my other planes. This over the white background and dark paint should be easier to see. Do another low pass. Well, not that low. Look at that thing flying sideways. And I'm not using any rudder whatsoever. Something that I should do. I'm just not good at it. No, the other way. Nope. Okay, I'm getting to my time limit. So let's go ahead and park it. Nice. Get a little bump there, but nice. I like it. That was my 5-minute mark. I got 1 second over. Let's see if I can taxi it without getting it too, that's too much water. Well, let's try. Nope. Nope. I want to have a second flight with this one. Throttle cut. Okie dokie. Nice. I was flying exactly 5 minutes and 1 second, and let's check out, see what the 33%, not bad. Oh, 3.8s, 3.79s, 3.79s, 3.81. Nice. That's actually, this battery's awesome. I like it. I mean, they don't last that much anyways. Maybe you know, a few 6 months or so. Depends on the usage, but still. But okay, we'll try another battery. Okay, second flight. Wind has picked up a little bit more, so let's see what happens. Wind's directly across the field, right from my back right now. Something, no, everything's fine. It's just the wind. I'm gonna bring it down a bit. wind this time. Throttle cut. That was a sketchy landing, but hey, it's in one piece and that's what it counts. Okay, folks, what can we say about the plane? Very nice, very nicely detailed. It's a great flyer, to be honest with you. On 4S, I haven't tried in 3S yet, but on 4S, that thing is plenty of power to whatever you need to do. Again, today we were having 12 to 17 mile an hour winds, and it handled it pretty good. I mean, it was getting beat up a little bit up on top, but you know, I think it's 1450 the wingspan, 1450 millimeter. But other than that, I mean, I loved it. I honestly liked the plane. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, refers. Thank you.